In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. I will be using this kit on this 2013 Honda Accord halogen headlight. I will begin by opening the package and showing you the contents. Inside of the package, we get one vinyl glove, one bottle of surface activator, one package of clarifying compound, one bottle of UV blocker / clear coat. We get 3 towels. The instructions state that between the 2 towels, one is an applicator and one is a polish towel, but it does not distinguish if the blue or the white is the applicator or the polish. We get 3 pieces of sandpaper, 400, 1000, and 2000 grit, and then we get the instructions. Here are the instructions. Before we begin, I will show you a close-up of the lens. In order to best see the before and after results of the product, I'm going to tape off the center section of the lens. The first step is to apply the surface activator to the exposed lens. We will now wait 30 seconds. It has been 30 seconds. I will now wash off the lens activator. Next, we need to locate the 400 grit sandpaper. We need to fold it in half. It is 1/2 piece per headlight. We're going to fully wet the headlight and the sandpaper and then begin sanding in circular motions. The instructions state to sand until you have a noticeably smooth headlight. It's okay to clean and dry the headlight while you sand. Next, locate the 1000 grit sandpaper. Again, fold it in half, 1/2 sheet per headlight. Using medium pressure, sand all headlight lens surfaces multiple times, adding water as necessary for approximately 5 minutes. It has been approximately 5 minutes. I will now clean the lens. Now that the lens is dry again, we're going to locate the final piece of sandpaper, the 2000 grit. Again, we're going to fold it in half. We will wet the headlight and we will sand for approximately 5 minutes. It has been approximately 5 minutes. I will now wash and dry the headlight. Next, we need to open the clarifying compound. We will apply a quarter-sized dollop to one of the white towels, wet the headlight lens, and rub the compound over the entire lens using even circular motions and firm pressure. Rub all surfaces multiple times for approximately 5 minutes. It has been approximately 5 minutes. We now need to rinse the lens thoroughly and completely dry it off. You should see a white haze. This is normal. Once the lens is fully dry, we need to reapply the surface activator. After reapplying the surface activator and waiting 30 seconds, after that we need to rinse the headlight thoroughly with water. It has been 30 seconds. I will now clean the lens. Next, we need the blue towel and the UV blocker clear coat. Apply the UV blocker to the towel until it is thoroughly soaked. Starting in one of the upper corners of the headlight lens, wipe the moistened edge of the towel across the lens from side to side in a smooth and continuous motion. Working from the top down, repeat the same motion slightly overlapping the previous stroke. Re-moisten the towel edge with UV blocker clear coat often to ensure a thick application. Note, the thicker the coating, the better. For best results, move in a continuous motion across the headlight lens on each stroke, applying only once, and do not repeat or reapply to treated areas. If you miss a spot, then quickly reapply only to that area. After coating, allow at least 1 full hour before touching the headlight lens, and allow 4 to 6 hours for a full cure. Avoid driving and water exposure until cured. It has been approximately 1 hour since I've applied the clear coat. It is now dry to the touch, but still a little bit tacky. I'm going to go ahead and remove the painter's tape now to compare the before and after. The kit did an overall good job of clearing up the lens. We can see that up here it is still a little bit faded. Maybe I could have done a better job of sanding that. I'm not sure if that's my fault or the kit's. Here's a close-up of the lens. When looking really close at the lens, we can see all of the scratch marks still from the sandpaper. I have a second Accord headlight that is in similar condition. I will apply the rest of the kit to this headlight and do a full before and after across the entire lens. Here's the headlight after using the kit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.